Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to reset your YouTube recommendations without deleting history. So to do that, let's head over to YouTube. And as you can see, these are my recommendations. So let's say for this one, I don't want to see this. So what I will do is just to tap on the three dots icon at the top right and tap on not interested, and then just give a reason like other, and they will show you fewer videos like this. And if you want it for videos, then just head over to this three dots icon, and here tap on not interested too. This is how you can one by one make some videos not interested, and then YouTube will change its algorithm for you so that you can reset your recommendation. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.